Qingming Festival is just around the corner. It is a day for families to visit their ancestors' gravesites and make ritual offerings. It also signifies a peak of the spring season. So in this season of rain and greens, let's make a traditional and seasonal snack for Qingming Festival, that is green rice balls, Qingtuan. It bears the fragrance and color of the wild herbs in the spring and is filled with many kinds of delicious fillings. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First step, make the dough. Mix all the ingredients for dough: glutinous rice flour, wheat starch, they're both gluten-free, some barley grass powder. The green color and the herbal aroma of the green rice balls come from mugwort or barley grass. Both are very widespread and common herbs or grass all around the world and are growing abundantly in the spring. If you can find the fresh ones, just blend them into juice and mix into the dough, but I am using the barley grass powder. Some sugar, water, mix into a dough. Then fold in some softened butter to make the dough moist and stretchy. Second step is to make the fillings. We're going to make two types of fillings. First, we have red bean paste. I am using the ready-made red bean paste. We just need to roll it into balls. We're also making another popular flavor, salted egg yolks with dried meat floss. Dice the meat floss first if it has many long strands. If you don't have salted egg yolks, don't forget to check out my salted egg yolk recipe. You can turn an egg into a salted egg yolk in less than a day and won't waste any egg whites. Steam the salted egg yolks for 15 minutes. Then crush them and dice or grind into smaller pieces. Mix with dried meat floss and mayonnaise. If your mayonnaise is not sweet enough, you can add some sugar in this step. Roll into balls. Moving on to the next step, wrap the rice balls. Divide the dough into 8 pieces, round it and flatten into a pancake shape. Place the filling in the middle. Bring up the dough and seal on top to enclose the filling. Round it again. And there it is. Lastly, we'll steam the green rice balls for 10 minutes. And enjoy! You can eat it while it's hot, or you can wrap it individually with a cling wrap so it wouldn't dry out and you can share it with friends and family. The dough is soft and stretchy with a faint scent of the herbs. When you bite into it, it is filled with sweet and smooth red bean paste or savory and aromatic salted egg and meat floss filling. Hope you like this simple and delicious spring snack. Stay tuned for more recipes like this.